Struggling with Wi-Fi on Windows 11? Let's update your Wi-Fi adapter driver together for a smoother connection. Ready? Let's dive in. First, right-click on the Windows Start button. Select Device Manager from the menu. Double-click on Network Adapters to expand the list. Now, right-click on your network driver. Choose Update Driver from the context menu. Select Search automatically for drivers. Once it's done, click Close. Right-click on the network driver. Select Update Driver again. This time, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click Next and then Close once the process is complete. If you're still experiencing issues, don't worry. We've got more solutions. All right, folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button again. Select Device Manager once more. Double-click on Network Adapters again. Right-click on your network driver one more time. This time, choose Disable Device and confirm by clicking Yes. To re-enable the device, right-click on the network driver again. Select Enable Device to get things back up and running. All right, folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button once more. Select Device Manager again. Double-click on Network Adapters once more. Right-click on your network driver once more. This time, choose Uninstall Device and confirm by clicking Uninstall. Finally, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart to reboot your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.